Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then go to wordpress.com. Log into your account and then go to My Home. After that, you will see an option of plugins. Simply go to plugins and here if you have any cache, you will get an option to remove it as well. So that's how you do it. You can also find some cache in users and then in profile. So after that, if you are using the application version, you will be able to directly do it from the settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.